It's an online school for owners and top management to learn the restaurant industry's best practices and information from other industries to solve our problems because our solutions aren't working anymore. Let's talk about it. Let me help you resolve your current challenges. There are a lot of changes that are happening, especially in New York City. Let's just talk about what's the outcome you're looking for from this seminar today.
I think to learn how to keep the people who are good employees happy so that they're not looking for other
Jobs.
jobs.
We're going to look at all these problems and I'm going to give you one technique that's going to cover all of that. The outcome we want to look for is how to attract right employees. The first technique, you're going to learn how to find and attract the right employee for your specific business. I'm not going to show you something that's generic. I'm going to work with you. So what I'm going to give you by the end of this seminar is something you can take home, immediately use, and begin to attract the right employees for your specific business. All right? Attracting the right employee for your business starts with uncovering your core values. I want my kind of people to come work for me because I value what they value what I value. I don't want 20 people to show up for an interview. I want 3 people to show up for an interview and I want all 3 to be amazing people. I want to hire all 3. That's what I want. I wanted to tell you that it takes work to create the best teams. My revenue shot up by 296% in under 3 years. I wasn't doing anything different. I just had the right people. Here's the secret to getting more people to show up for an interview.